Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this camera for outdoor. This is a security camera that I got sent out for review, and I love it because it's super small and it's rechargeable. It's completely wireless, and this is what it has on the box, in the box. It's the camera, and it has this compartment on the bottom so you can recharge it. This is the sensor, the light, and the camera, of course. And it includes the cable so you can recharge it. Doesn't include the power brick, and also includes the tools that you might need, the screws and some other plastic screws. And to recharge it, you will be open this part on the bottom, and you will be inserting here the USB-C cable so you can recharge it, and also it has the mini SD slot, and also it has two buttons, the reset button and the power button. So let's start setting up our camera in our phone. Here you have the app, it's the Cloud Edge app, and then you will be creating an account, and once that it's there, you will be setting up your Wi-Fi right here and the Bluetooth as well. And here is the camera. You will be choosing the right camera for this and pressing the power button. Just follow the instructions as it is on the manual instructions and also on your screen. And then it asks us to press the reset button.
Waiting to connect. Resetting. Please wait. Waiting to connect.
We will continue and click next. And once that it's on the Wi-Fi, we will scan the QR code that it displays on the phone on our camera lens.
Connecting. Please wait. Connection successful.
Once that the connection is successful, the LED will turn to blue. And now let's go and install it outside. As you can see, here is the camera and sensing and watching, and it also has some sensors, so it will send you some alerts when it senses some movement as well. You can deactivate these on the app, of course. And well, what you can do on the app, you can take some screenshots of what you are watching. You can record some video. You can actually talk to the camera, and it has a microphone, and also you can set an alarm there. Okay, so here we are outside, and we are going to install this base so we can install our camera here. Okay, so now you will be adjusting the camera to the right height, so it actually displays what you expect it to display, because it is not 360, so you need to adjust it. Okay, there it is. So you can take screenshots like I was saying. You can talk to the camera as well. You can record videos, and you can sense movement. And also you have the SD card here. Currently we haven't added, but you can actually add it. And here is a light sensor. You can actually add some light there, and it is really good. You can see how in the screen it's displayed. And also you can set up an alarm here from your phone, so you can scare the bad people, the bad guys, right? It has a very good image. You can see that it's displaying very good what it's outside. So here is the look that you can see, and I really like it.